Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add membership on YouTube Music. That's how to be a premium member of YouTube Music. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is where exactly can you find YouTube Music? Now, you can get it on Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you can get it on Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. And of course, after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Now, I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on YouTube Music. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add membership on YouTube Music. There are two ways to go about that. Now, from this homepage, you can head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons: home, samples, explore, library, and upgrade. Now, go ahead and click on upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, it takes you here. I can use your music premium preview ends in 12 days or so. So go ahead and click on try 1 month for ₦0. So over here, you can just click on add credit or debit card and add your card details and go ahead and pay. It's just 900 per month, so it's not pricey. So the second way to go about it is to head over to home, and at the top right corner you see your profile icon. Click on that and you have paid memberships. So go ahead and click on paid memberships and it takes you here. Of course, we're going to go back to that same page. Now click on try it for free and it takes you right here again. Now click on try 1 month for ₦0. Now you can use individual, you can choose individual, or you can choose family. For family, it's 1.7, individual is 1.1. Now go ahead and click on confirm if you want to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, it takes you here. Now click on add credit or debit card and make payments. So it's that simple. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.